If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making BUDHA CHAKULI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take about quarter cup of urad dal in half a cup of rice and soak that in some water for roughly about 2 to 3 hours. Then discard the water, blend to make a smooth paste. Then take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter cup of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of grated coconut and quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a bowl, take the rice and urad dal paste. Into that, add the powder, salt, grated coconut and all the jaggery. Now with the help of a spoon, and combine these really well into a medium thick batter. Just like this. Now to make the chakuli, take a pan and place it over low flame, and first add all the ghee, followed by all the chakuli batter. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes, or until you see the top layer is not runny anymore and it turned a little darker color. Then using a spatula, gently flip it and also roast the other side for a few minutes. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, BUDHA CHAKULI. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.